Hi, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play. I'm Rachel. I hope you're having a good day. Okay, so I want to show you how to make stuffing in the air fryer oven. You know, stuffing don't really take that long. It's a boxed stuffing mix. And if you want to make your own stuffing, you have to get some bread, dry it out. You can put it in the oven on 250 until it dries up and hardens, and then you can break that up in a food processor or with your hand and make your stuffing from that point. Okay? Alright, so let me adjust the camera. Let's get started, shall we? Thank you. Okay, so I'm working with stuffing. It's Bell seasoning stuffing, okay, and a turkey stuffing. So I have two different types. It doesn't matter. It all can go in the same mix, okay? Alright, so here's the stuffing here. Alright, now we're going to add some poultry seasoning. This is just to give it some more flavor. And this is chicken base. I'm going to add some of that to bring up the flavor. Okay, also if you have some drippings from when you cooked a turkey or a chicken, you can add the drippings. That will take the place of the base. I was breaking it up. Alright, so I'm going to put about, you see I put 3 heaping teaspoons, okay? Alright, and the next thing I want to add is some melted margarine, okay? Alright, so now we're going to add some water. You can add water. You can add milk. Okay, and now let's mix this up. Okay, I'd say this is maybe 2 cups of water. Okay, I've added so far. You want it thick like pancakes. Okay, you don't want it watery. And I added hot water, by the way, so that it helps break down the bread. Okay, now I want to add 2 packs of equal substitute. Okay, 2 packs of equal substitute, or any type of sugar you like, whether it's regular sugar, honey, whatever kind of sugar you like, just add the sugar. Okay, and we're good. So now, this is our cake pan that we're going to be cooking it in. You can see it's a little taller than a regular cake pan. I'm going to put some olive oil in here. And I want to get a paper towel and move that olive oil around so it gets on all the edges. There we go. Okay, so let's put it in. So you notice I'm trying to distribute it evenly around the pan. Okay, so I would say that was about 5 minutes to mix it up, right? Pretty quick. Okay, we're going to put it in the air fryer oven. Turn it on. We're going to put it down to 350. I don't want it to cook too fast because it's a big, thick pan and I want it to cook well. Okay, and we're on 15 minutes. Okay, that's good. We'll check it after 10 minutes, okay? And we'll be back. Thank you. Okay, so we have 2 minutes left on our 15-minute setting. Let's check it out. That's how it looks. Let's check the temperature. Okay, we're only at 123, so I'm gonna add another 5 minutes. So that will be a total of 20 minutes, okay? So let me add another 5. Okay, so we're gonna let that cook and we'll be back. Okay. So, while we were off camera, I set some more time on this stuffing, so it has cooked a total so far of 25 minutes, and I'm going to check the temperature in a minute. But if you was cooking just one box, of course it would be half that time, right? So just to catch you up on that. So there's a total of 25 minutes for the stuffing in the air fryer oven. Okay? Let me give you the word of the day. The word of the day is pick your battles. Yeah, pick your battles. You know, if you're the type that you nit and pick over every little thing, it's not necessary for you to question somebody or argue about something constantly. Number one, you know the person. So you know if what you say is gonna change things or not. Okay, and if it's not gonna change anything, pick your battle. You know, don't argue over everything. Don't confront everything because it stresses people out. You know, you could be doing this to your mate, to your children, right? And to yourself, because when you go there, you also send your own blood pressure up. Okay? So think about things. Say, okay, if I say something about this, is it going to help or not? And if it's not going to help, stop. Pick your battles, okay? And don't discuss that issue. Maybe you can wait and go about it another way without discussing it. You know, maybe show and tell or something like that. Okay? Alright, let's check the temperature of our stuffing. I think we should be good. 1 second. We're looking for 165 for the temperature. Because if you used to serve something hot, it would be 165. Even though this is not meat, we still want this to cook to 165. Okay, we're at 167. So we are good. Okay, our stuffing is done. Let me show you the end result. Okay, and let me take a taste for you. Just gonna grab a little corner. While I'm waiting on this to cool, please subscribe if you haven't been on this channel before, and please hit the like button if you like the stuffing, and share it with someone and have them to hit the like button. And also I have a link on the bottom that you can go on over to Amazon. So all those things are just for you. Okay, all right, I'm gonna taste it now. It's moist. The chicken broth definitely kicked the flavor up. I like it. It's good to have stuffing once in a while, right? Even if you're not making turkey, you can do it with chicken, pork. It brings a different dish to the table. Alright, from Grandma Ray Don't Play, I'm Rachel. Love you. Bye-bye.